I just came to the Pietro house, and this little lady was here, and she's definitely very weak, and I think still young. Oh no! Oh no! She's confused, and I think she's injured really bad. Oh no! Come here! Oh, there's kind of gross. Oh no! You don't want to go in there. Come here. No. Shh. Ay. There you go. Go outside. Just go. I know. You just go outside. I know. Yeah, let me just help you outside. You want to just go outside? I know. Are you broke? Oh, outside. Yeah. There you go. There, you're free. Look, outside. Go outside. You don't want to stay in here. You can't eat in here. Yeah. Go outside. Go. There you go. I think her foot is broken. There you go. Okay. I freed a bird. I feel good that I came here. There's some doves there. Okay. But I don't know if it's gonna survive. It was pretty weak. Okay. Yeah, good girl. You're outside now. Yeah, you're outside. Good job. Okay, she looks a lot happier. Okay, that was good. She was terrified of me, but I'm glad I got her out. I think this is good. Okay.